Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to convert a PDF to Word. So if that is something you are interested in, stick around for the rest of the video. So first things first, of course, you're going to need to have Microsoft Office, and you can find this on the App Store. It is a very versatile and useful app to have. It is your go-to app for the office, and it is comprised of Word, Excel, and PowerPoint in one app. It has a 4.6 out of 5 star rating, so let's launch Microsoft Office and get into it. So once you open the application, you'd be required to upload your documents if they were not already created in Microsoft Office. So in order to convert a PDF to Word, you'd simply need to tap on the action icon that is in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And once that is completed, you'd see that there are quite a few actions that you can actually take. You can send a PDF, scan a PDF, picture to PDF, document to PDF, and PDF to Word. So for this tutorial, I'll simply be clicking on PDF to Word to convert a PDF to Word. So once you do that, you'd simply need to select the PDF that you want to convert to Word, and the conversion process might take a few seconds, as well as the opening of the document. So once the document is opened, you can simply tap anywhere to add information or omit information or change it as you feel free. Now, once that is completed and you've added the information or changed the information that you want, you'd simply need to tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen and simply select Save. And once you go back home, you'd see that the document was converted from a PDF to Microsoft Word. And that's pretty much how you'd go about changing a PDF to Word. So that's the end of the tutorial. If you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.